Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel. In today's video from the Easy WordPress Tutorials, we are going to speak about a very important topic, but in a simple way and easy way that you can understand it, which is the search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is very important for anyone working online, because like this you optimize your page so the search engines will bring it as a recommendation for those who are searching for it. So I will show you. Again, we return to our colorful page and I'll go to dashboard. I'll show you what I've done in one of my posts, so you can follow the same idea. Okay, I will go to step 1, this one. I will go to edit. First thing that you need to know that everyone is speaking about search engine optimization, and if you go to WordPress plugins and you search for example, I will show you, because that's where you start. If you come here to add new plugin and you just put SEO or search engine optimization for the search, you will find more than 3,600 plugin that you can add to your WordPress installation. Most of them are free, and even if they are free, they have a paid version which is having more features to help you when you go to improve your business. You'll need this paid version, but now you can go for the free version. I'm using this one, for example, and it in each page of your in each post or in each page it gives you ranking to tell you how much this page is optimized for search engines. Okay, so I'll show you how this works. Okay, you can see here that the first thing is I'm having the title step 1, install WordPress. So that's my title. So install WordPress is very important as a title to be repeated while I'm speaking in the video, while I'm writing in my coming paragraphs, and that's one very important aspect. So the first aspect, as I told you, is to have your title repeated or you speak about it in the coming paragraphs, importantly in the first paragraph. So I put it here. First thing first, we need to understand what is WordPress. See what is WordPress post here. So I need to understand what is WordPress first. So, and I'm making a link. So this link is also important thing, because that's I added a link to one other post here. Okay, so not to be distracted, it's as I told you, the important is the title. To have the title repeated, install WordPress. So you need to repeat this title in your the word install, the word WordPress, and so on, to repeat it within your post. Okay, I put it here. Let we install. If you example, I click here. Let we install WordPress step by step. So that's one time, and you can edit 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times within your post. This depends on the length of your post, and the plugin you insert will tell you all of this. Just I'm trying to explain it to you. Okay, if I go to the document itself, you have a summary or excerpt. I added it, and I added here install WordPress also in it, which is very important, because this is your search. You need to be consistent. Okay, so that's one very important item. Another very important item is to have some headers. When you have some highlighted text in your post, that's another item that's very important for search engines, that say that your post is structured. It's having some highlights. It's having some text in bold and so on, which attracts the eye of the reader, so you know what you are doing. Okay, another thing that I skipped it from in the beginning, that I'm having here, that's internal link to another post which is speaking about what is WordPress, explaining what is WordPress in an easy way. It's important to have internal links inside your posts to other posts that you have written. This let the search engine understand that you are consistent with your work. Okay, and you are working in this niche especially, and you have a lot of work on this niche, and so that's why you're having your link. Another thing that I'm having here, an external link for the installation of exam as a local server, which is an external link. This also gives some accreditation for your posts, that you are helping your readers by finding external posts or external sources other than your post. So you are not going only to your post. You can help. You can get benefit from this also by adding links. For example, as I added here a link to my YouTube video. So if you like to share, or I'm saying, if you like, someone is like to read the steps and see it in pictures and the written steps, he will find it here. If someone needs to see it in a video, or prefers the visual one, he can go to the YouTube video, and this will be considered also as a link. It's important that you have this within certain area. You start writing steps and so on and so on, and you have titles, as I told you, with headers. These headings, bold headings, is also counted in your search engine optimization, in ranking, increasing your rank for the search engine optimization. Also for your images, okay, you need, maybe this one I didn't add for it, but you need to add alt text or alternative text for your image. So if it's not displayed, I hope I added for other ones. You can see here, this one is example control panel, and you can see here this exam MySQL admin. So this also adds to your points when the browser sees your page, or the crawler goes through your page. They say that yes, you are doing a professional work by adding alternative text. So if this image is not displayed, or someone is having some impairment, come to your page, he can see what this image is all about. Okay, I hope this information helps you. And as I told you, if you install any plugin from the free ones, it will be giving you these guides. But I wanted only to show you how it works in a video description. You can see that this one is the mark, is my Yoast mark. It's green one. So this means that I had done enough optimization, maybe not 100% optimization for this page, but I've done enough optimization in this page that when I go online, the search engine will recommend it for people who are searching for installation of WordPress. Thank you very much for following. I hope you had learned a nice trick about improving your SEO. Please share the information, join, subscribe, and like our videos, and I'll be waiting for your valuable comments. Thank you very much.